Mastering Short Multiplication, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're exploring a mathematical term that often confuses learners: short multiplication. Stick around as we break down what it means, how it's used, and why it's a handy tool in both math and everyday life. Whether you're a student, teacher, or just curious, this video is for you. Short multiplication refers to the traditional method of multiplying numbers that many of us learn in school. It's called short because it simplifies the process of multiplying larger numbers by breaking them down into more manageable parts. This technique involves multiplying numbers digit by digit and adding the results to get the final answer. It's most efficient when dealing with two-digit numbers or larger, especially when one of the numbers is a single digit. To master short multiplication, follow these steps. 1. Write down the numbers you want to multiply, one above the other, aligning them by their right-hand digits. 2. Multiply the bottom number by each digit of the top number, starting from the right. If the multiplication exceeds 9, remember to carry over the extra value to the next digit. 3. Add the results of these multiplications together to find your final answer. Let's break it down with an example. Multiplying 34 by 3. First, multiply 4, the units digit of 34, by 3 equals 12. Write down 2 and carry over 1. Next, multiply 3, the tens digit of 34, by 3 equals 9, and add the carried over 1 equals 10. Write down the results in order: 102. To become proficient in short multiplication, consider these tips. Practice regularly with different numbers to build your confidence and speed. Use visual aids like grid paper to keep your work organized, especially with larger numbers. Check your work by using the reverse operation, division, to ensure the accuracy of your multiplication. We hope this guide demystifies short multiplication and shows you how straightforward and useful it can be. With a bit of practice, you'll find it becoming second nature. Remember, math is a skill, and like any skill, it gets better with practice. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, keep learning and growing.